So here's another thing I want to share. Very often, owners, when their dogs misbehave, if their dog has a crate like that one, they will lock them up because, they don't want them to be jumping on guests, they don't want to be them in the way of their vacuuming, or for whatever reason, they don't want the dog to be out because someone's over who's afraid of dogs, so they will send the dog away if he's misbehaving in their owner's opinion. So the dog is basically punished. That's kind of the energy that the owners are sending the dog away with. They're telling him to go away and don't behave that way. Well, what the dog understands is that, he's unwelcome and he's being punished. What we want the crate to be is the dog's safe place. You know how when you were a little kid, maybe you built like a little castle out of pillows and blankets, which was your kind of safe place to go to lock the world out, and then you're there alone, you can relax, you can read, whatever. So that's what we want the dog's place to be for him, that every time he goes there, he can associate that with relaxation and something positive. It's not somewhere where he wants to get out from immediately. It's not somewhere where he's in punishment, right? He doesn't want to be in hell if we put him in his crate. We want him to be relaxing in his crate. That's his place. So one of the things we can do to encourage this, if we're out with the dog, right, the dog's roaming around outside, we can send him to his crate but not lock the door. Just let him be there for a while and then call him out. Roscoe, go to your room. So we send him to his crate. He's just like hanging out there, right? He's just chilling, and I'm not closing the door. I just let him chill. Hey! But I send him back because I don't... Go back. I don't want him to, come out whenever he wants from his cage. I want him to kind of, again, accept the fact that he can come outside when I let him out. And this, in turn, will result in whenever he's locked in and I come home and open up the gate, he won't be burging out and jumping on people because he's so excited to get outside of the cage. He's been waiting for it. And then you kind of release that last, that it's less like, you flick the on button and he's out, shooting like a rocket. If he gets into this mode of not burging out of the crate, he's gonna come outside in a much more relaxed state. Come on. So it's much better, and now he's out and happy. Good boy. You're a good boy. Yes, you are.